Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring Leke Leke Waterfall in Bali. This video will take you along the road to the waterfall and show what you can expect when you reach the spot. We are now traveling along the road that leads towards Leke Leke Waterfall. The drive goes through smaller roads surrounded by thick greenery. This area feels away from the usual tourist movement. We have arrived near the entrance area. From this point onward, the journey continues on foot. Let's start the walk. The surroundings here are simple and open, with no heavy construction around. This is the walking path that leads to the waterfall. The trail is narrow and shaded by tall trees. As we continue, the sound of water slowly becomes noticeable. We are getting closer now. The path opens up slightly and the water sound becomes clearer. This is where you know the waterfall is just ahead, and here is Leke Leke Waterfall. The water falls straight down between rocky sides into a small pool. The area feels untouched and focused only on the waterfall itself. What stands out here is the narrow flow and enclosed space. Unlike wider waterfalls, this one has a more compact form. It's a good place to stop for a few moments and take in the view. So that's our visit to Leke Leke Waterfall. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. More travel videos are coming soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.